Number 5. AKASO Brave 8 Lite. Capture your adventures with the AKASO Brave 8 Lite, the best budget action camera around. This camera offers a cost-effective way to enjoy high-quality footage without emptying your wallet. While it has a plastic construction that feels a bit flimsy, its modern design and lightweight build make it easy to carry everywhere. One standout feature is the smartphone app. You'll find it much easier to navigate compared to the camera's onboard interface. During bright days, expect vibrant, lifelike 4K video quality. Footage appears sharp and rich, allowing you to relive your moments in stunning detail. Battery performance impresses too, delivering up to 150 minutes of 1080p recording. This endurance means you can capture more of your day without constantly worrying about recharging. On the flip side, low light conditions uncover some challenges. You might notice noise affecting image clarity, which can impact your nighttime adventures. Stabilization doesn't perform as well as models costing more, leading to slightly shaky footage when moving quickly. What I love most about the Brave 8 Lite is its exceptional value. With solid specs at an unbeatable price, you'll get plenty of features for your hard-earned money. While not without its flaws, this action camera still stands tall among competitors. Adventure seekers on a budget will find this an appealing choice for capturing their experiences.